Do you want to buy local used cars available for sale? Finding the best conditioned used cars is not so easy. You can contact any reputed used car dealers available nearby. Contact Car Depot. It is the best used car dealer in Pasadena, California, offers the best condition, well-maintained used cars for sale. In their inventory, you can find a great collection of used cars available for sale, like economic sedans, family-friendly SUVs, trucks, vans, etc. Their professionally cleaned and sanitized used cars are available at fair prices. Their experts are always there to help their clients to find the right car best suited their lifestyle, automotive needs, and budget. They provide the best possible, low-interest loan to all credit holders so that you can easily fulfill their car buying dreams successful. So, stop wasting your time. Contact them now at +1 626 469 0034 to share your car buying process. If you want to know more, then browse through https://cardappatag.com.